All right, time to take a look at the VEVOR Rock Tumbler. So we got our instructions. We've got 2 sets of rocks. Now part of the fun of this is just going out and finding your own rocks to tumble, but the fact that they give you something so you can actually just get started with it. And even more than that, just to kind of see what different rocks do when you tumble them, it's actually kind of neat. Got some very cool looking rocks in there. This looks like a silica. Very cool. I really like the design on that one. That's cool. Actually looks like we got 2 of very similar sets. So you can see we got 2 of those black silica rocks, 2 of these nice design ones. We got a couple of these look like red rocks, a couple of these that look kind of like quartz. So yeah, be interesting to see what that does. Oh, cool. So we got a sieve. So there's going to be multiple stages to tumbling it. Each one of them are going to have different grits. And when you're done, you want to make sure you clean all that grit off. So this is going to be what you can use for that. Looks like we also got a jewelry making kit. So if you're going to turn some of these rocks into something that you can actually wear, you got something you can use to make that work. Pretty cool. Got our AC adapter, and it says good for 100 to 240 volts. So it's good for international or domestic. And it outputs 2 amps at 12 volts. Okay. So this is the drum, and this is a rubber drum. So it's the same as all of them that you're always going to see. It feels like it's got something in it. Okay, so we got our ceramic abrasive, and this is mostly going to be fill, so you want to make sure that you got this thing 3/4 filled up, and you can use this to make sure you got all of those spots covered. And we got our grits. So we got step 1, this is going to be your most coarse grit, so this is going to do the most wear on the rocks to kind of get them in the shape that you want. And that's 320. Then we go to 600 grit, so it says this is for smoothing it out. And it's also worth keeping in mind, you can get this kind of stuff anywhere. This is just nice that they give you this kit so you can get going right away. Step 3, 800 grit, says develop rocks for final polishing. And then step 4 is the brightening powder. So this is going to be what you use to get that glossy finish. It is worth keeping in mind that each of these are going to take at least a week. So that's the main thing with this, is that this just kind of takes time. But I mean, the great thing about it is you just plug it in and you let it go. Nice. So there is the tumbler. You can see we do got rubber feet here on the bottom. The rollers for holding the drum do have these nice tracks on it to make sure that everything is staying centered, so that's good. Then we got power. You can set the number of days that you want this thing to run for. So if you're going to like go on vacation or something like that, you can just hit 7 days, select the speed, and then hit play. So I like that. I like that this will kind of take care of itself. So we'll start out by putting our rocks in. I guess one of the neat things about this, you can have this little case when you're done too. And this is a very large drum for this amount of rocks. So this is all the rocks that they include with it. So you're going to be able to polish quite a lot of rocks with this. Add our abrasive. There we go. You can see even with all the rocks and all the abrasive, there's still plenty of room in here. And they actually have a table on here telling you what they recommend. So this, I might have actually done this wrong already, but we'll see what happens. But this is saying for stage 1, use a 320 pound, we use about 60 grams. And then we have 5 millimeters to 600 grams of the ceramic. Select speed 4 and then go for 2 days. So according to this, you should actually be able to knock this whole thing out in about a week. So that's actually kind of cool. And this is saying for each stage, we're going to use 600 grams of the ceramic. So it looks like pouring the whole bag in was the correct thing. Now, the nice thing about this is that we can actually reuse this stuff every time. All we have to do is make sure we clean it all off, and then we can use that for each step. Then for step 1, we're going to use a 320 grit. We're going to use 60 grams. And it says that this is 60 grams. So this is going to be a perfect amount for this. So I'm just going to pour this whole thing in. And it does look about right, because usually you're going to use a I think it's something like 1 or 2 scoops. But anyway, I'm just going to follow what they got. So you can see what we got. We got all that ceramic in there, and then that grit just kind of sinks right in. You don't really have to worry about it because it's going to automatically distribute as it's going. So the last thing is we're going to add water, and you want to add water just until it covers the top of the rocks. So this is actually going to be maybe about 1/3 full. So you can do a lot of rocks with this guy. So this is the final concoction. So pop the lid back on. And screw it down. Check for leaks. There's some water on the outside. I probably should have cleaned that off first. Yeah, looks good. And we'll throw that right on the track. Oh, that's nice. 2 days, and it says speed 4. Okay, now we just wait. Now, one of the cooler things about this is that this actually has a power loss function. So what that means is if you're tumbling and you really care about these rocks, if the power goes out in your house, it will pick right back up where it was. So I unplug it, and then I plug it back in. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at that guy go. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's really that simple. You just put the stuff in, and hit play and go. And then when this is done, we can check the condition of the rocks. I also like that it's not really that loud. Some of these things are extremely loud. So next setting will be 2 days at speed 3 with the 600 grit, and 1 day speed 2 with 800 grit, 2 days speed 1 with the brightening powder. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool machine.